I'm going to solve one of the question which came in 2021 CSSE 2021 question number 17. You can try the part 1. I'm going to solve the part B. Look at this one. They say there is a triangle. Yeah, there is a triangle given and the values are 77 minus 5x, 10x minus 2 and 4x, and it says the triangle below has a parameter of 125x. So parameter is given, which is equal to 120. Yeah, and you need to find the value of x. So the parameter is given 120, and you know the parameter, you need to add all side to get the parameter. Exactly you need to do, okay, don't be confused about the x value. So very simple, what you're going to do is simply 10x minus 2, put the bracket, plus 77 minus 5x, bracket, plus 4x equal to 120. Yeah, so open the bracket, 10x minus 2 plus 77 minus 5x plus 4x equal to 120. Rearrange the x value first. 10x, okay, minus 5x plus 4x and minus 2 plus 77 equal to 120. Now you're going to simplify this one. So look at this one. 10 plus 4 is 14x. 14 take away 5 is 9x. Same as minus 2 plus 77 is going to be plus 75 equal to 120. And now this 75 going to be cancelled by subtracting on the left hand side and the right hand side both. Plus minus cancel. So the 9x equal to 120 take away 75 is 45. Divide by 9 both sides. So the x will be 5. So 9 times 5 is 45. So this is the way you can apply the concept of equation. Okay. So basically examiner asking, yeah, the x value, okay, with the help of the perimeter of triangle. So now move forward, okay. So I'm gonna solve a couple of more questions about area and parameters, okay. So let me do few questions for area and parameters. Okay. Okay, so this one is given, it says what? There is a rectangle, yeah, okay. Its value is given what? X plus 6, okay. So, and its parameter is given, so the parameter is given is 24. Pause the video and try to solve this one, okay. This is the question number 1, and the question number 2 is same as is given x plus 12 and x, and the parameter is given 56. Very simple, okay. This is the shape of the rectangle. The rectangle has two sides are equal, this one and this one. Very simple, okay. So this is x, so this is also x. This is x plus 6, so this is also x plus 6, and the parameter is given 24. So very simple, you need to add x plus 6, x plus 6, okay, x plus x equal to 24. So add all these numbers, okay. So x, 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 x. So how many x are there? 4x, plus 6 is 12 equal to 24. Same, look at this one, okay, and go back where I start the concept of equation, yeah. So 4x plus 12 equal to 24, cancel this one by subtracting 12. So 4x equal to 12 and divide by 4. So it means that x value is what? 3, yeah. And if you're going to solve this question, look at this one, exactly the same way. This is x, so this is also x. This one x plus 12, so this one is also x plus 12. So I'm going to write x plus 12 plus x plus 12 plus x plus x, yeah, equal to, the parameter is giving 56. So how many x are there? Rearrange if you would like to avoid any confusion. So x plus x plus x plus x equal to plus 12 equal to 56. So it's going to be 4x plus 24 equal to 56. And we need to cancel this 24 by subtracting both sides. Yeah, look at this one. Cancel 4x equal to 6 take away 4 is 2 and 5 take away 2 is 3. Yeah, divide by both sides. Yeah, 4 cancel with this 4 and 4 times 8 32. So the x equal to 8. So this is, you can apply the concept of equation. Yeah, so the parameter is given, find the value of x. Now I'm going to solve a couple of more questions. Okay, before solving the further questions, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, because I'm doing more video about the 11 plus, and also I'm gonna inform that this year we have a very good result for the GCSE. I think none of the students get less than 7 grades. Yeah, so please share my details, your family, friends who are going to join for the GCSE. And also the new session for the 11 plus is going to be start on the 21st of September, same exam day. Okay, so my details you can find in the video, so please do share my details as well. Okay, so okay, back to the question. So the question, it says, so the parameter is given equal to 2 meter. Okay, and this is the shape of rectangle. Okay, and the value 2x minus 9 and x plus 1. So how we solve this one? So same as, okay, so opposite sides are equal, so this one is also x plus 1, and this one 2x minus 9. So 2x minus 9, yeah, plus 2x minus 9 plus x plus 1 and plus x plus 1, and the parameter is given equal to 2 meter, so I can write 2 only. Yeah, okay, so rewrite 2x minus 9 plus 2x minus 9 plus x plus 1 plus x plus 1 equal to 2. Look at this one, I'm going to rearrange this one. 2x plus 2x, this one, and x, yeah, plus x, and then minus 9, and then plus 1 equal to 2. So look at this one, 2x, 4x, 5x, 6x. 6x equal to 18. 18 take away 2 is 16. Yeah, so I can do here minus 16 equal to 2. So now Look at this one is going to be minus 16, going to be cancelled plus 16. If I'm doing here, so I do the plus 16 here as well. So this one is cancelled. So 6x equal to 18, yeah, and divided by 6 both side. So it means, so the x equal to 3. Very simple, very easy, yeah. So you need to add all numbers, okay, and the parameter is given 2, and you can simplify, okay, rearrange the all x value and the number value, okay, you will get the equation like 6x minus 16 equal to 2 equation. Look at how applying equation, yeah, okay, and you simplify and to get the value of x. And I'm going to solve one more example, okay. So it says this is the shape given, yeah, a square, and the value is given 25 minus 2x, yeah, and the parameter is given 64, okay. Don't be confused. A square has all sides are equal each other, so it means 25 minus 2x you need to times by 4. Very simple. 25 minus 2x times by 4 equal to 64, and 4 times 25 is 100, yeah, and 4 times 2 is 8x equal to 64, yeah. And look at this one, this 64, okay, is lower to higher side I'm moving, okay, so it means minus 64, so this one is minus 64, yeah. So if subtract 64, so it means you will get what, 36 minus 8x equal to 0, yeah, and this is minus 8x, so cancel plus 8x plus 8x, yeah, so 36 equal to 8x. Now we're going to divide by 8 both side, so 36 8 times 36 divided by 8, so 4 times 32, and the remainder is what? Remainder is 4. So the answer will be what? Answer will be 4. 8 over 4. So it means 4.5. So the answer will be 4.5. Okay. Or you can say 4.5. Okay. So this is the way you can find the value of x. Sometimes examiner asks find the length of this square, yeah. So very simple, okay. So you found the value of x which equal to 4.5. You need to substitute 25 and 4.5. So 45 times 2 is 90. One decimal place is 9, so 25 take away 9, which is equal to 16. So this one is 16, 16, 16 and 16, yeah, okay. This is the length of the square, yeah. So that's it for today. So if you like this video, please thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. And I would like to thank everyone. The last month my channel has been watched around 6,000 minutes, a lot minute for me, yeah. So but you know, the few parents forget to subscribe my channel. Just only 5%, you know, parents they subscribe my channel. So if you watch my video, please do subscribe, okay. So that's it. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.